Oh, man. Oh, my God. Oh, that is so gross. Oh, I'm going to cry. Oh, God, what booger looks like that? Oh, dude, look at this. And it's all stretchy. Oh, look at it.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, that is so gross. Lick it, Israel.
No.
Oh, dude, it's like you could tie yourself up with it. Oh.
Make a bracelet.
Oh, no! Oh,
It's in your mouth.
oh, my
Give me
God. That is so gross. I don't want to rub it on my face. Oh, that is disgusting. Do you want to play with it?
No, give me it.
No,
Let's
give
play
it.
with it.
Let's give me
Oh,
it.
that is such a disgusting booger. Don't stick it on there. You should go show it to Mom. Go tell her that I sneezed that. That is just unbelievable. Ew, look, and there's hair stuck in it. How did that happen? Must be something I ate. Oh, man. God, this stuff just, I can't even get rid of it. Like, look.
I know.
God, that is disgusting. Oh, man. What am I gonna do?
Oh!
Okay.
Oh my God, Johnny, it's all blurry.
I'm gonna go blow my nose.
Johnny, it's all blurry.
Oh, God, fix it.
It's because the stuff's on there.
Well, I'm gonna go blow my nose, okay?
Okay.